I will love you either way. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to It'll Be Okay by Shawn Mendes. I've left the full chords and lyrics linked down below as well, and I'll just attempt to sing each section just as a reference point. My voice isn't feeling that great, so I'll just do the best I can. So this one's in the key of G major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of G major. The chords are mostly formed using those notes. Here is middle C as a reference if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. I'll teach both hands at the same time, so the left hand is blue on the screen there and the right hand is orange to colour code them. So the song goes straight in with the verse, and we've kind of got this, well, it's not a piano sound, but we're going to play the chords that are there. So the first chord is a C sus2, so we're going to play C in the left hand and D and G in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next chord could be called a G major 7 over a B or a B minor 6. I'm pretty sure it's this, so it's a B in the left hand and then D, F sharp and G. So this is a G major 7. So we're playing the B in the left hand but then the D, F sharp and G in the right hand. 2, 3, 4, and then an A major chord for 8 beats, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the C sus2, 1, 2, 3, 4, G major 7 over B, 2, 3, 4, A major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we've got these leading, singular leading notes that go D, E, F sharp, and then into the next part down here. So we've got the C major second inversion, so C in the left hand with G, C, and E in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a G with a B in the bass. So B in the left hand with G major in the right hand. So G, B, and D. 2, 3, 4, and then here we have D major, like second inversion, but I'll play D and A in the left hand, and then D and F sharp in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have these individual notes of G and F sharp. So I'll just do that again from the C major. So 1, 2, 3, 4. G over B, 2, 3, 4, D major, 2, 3, 4, and then we repeat that again from the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, G over B, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just off, and then it's into the chorus. So that's all of the verse. So I'm just going to demonstrate that then. Are we gonna make it? Is this gonna hurt? Oh, we can try to sedate it, but that never works. Yeah, I start to imagine a world where we don't collide. It's making me sick, but we'll heal and the sun will rise. If you tell me you're leaving, I'll make it easy. It'll be okay. Okay, then we're into the chorus. So it's just very similar chords to what we've just done. So we've got C major. You're welcome to start playing octaves in the left hand if you want to, but you don't have to. Some of my lower notes will become out of shot. We've got a C major chord, And he's kind of playing it in the rhythm like 1, 2, 3, 4, like repressing the chord again. And then we've got G major, but with G's in the bass this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. G to F sharp, C major, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. So that's the first chorus. So it's just that chord progression twice. If you tell me you're leaving, I'll make it easy. It'll be okay. If we can't stop the bleeding, we don't have to fix it. We don't have to stay. I will love you either way. Okay, so this bit is like a little instrumental post-chorus. So again, it's these chords, so C major, G major, D major. So we go E, C, E, C, E, C, and then G, C, E, C, G, C, E, C, E. The notes are all on the top screen. You could write them down. So I'm gonna do it again. E, C, E, C, E, C, G, C, E, C, G, C, E, C, E. So I'll do it a bit quicker. Bit quicker again. And then we go to the G, same pattern. So D, B, D, B, D, B, G, B, D, B, G, B, D, B, D. I'll do it a bit quicker. And then we've got the D major. So this one's twice as long. A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp, D, F sharp, A, F sharp, D, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, and then again. So all of that goes, so from the C's, G, D, and then he's singing the "Ooh, it'll be okay" over the top of that part. And then we're into the next verse. So for the second verse, we have the C sus2 again, and then the G major 7 over B, and then it comes down and plays the D major 2, 3, 4. You can put 11 as well if you want to. And then we've got the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, G major, G, D. And then the next bit is the same. So C major and then G over B, D major, capital 11 again, C major, G over B, and we're going to build this D up there before the chorus. I'll just demonstrate that now. The future we dreamed of, it's fading to black. Oh, there's nothing more painful, nothing more painful. I start to imagine a world where we don't collide. tell me you're leaving, I'll make it easy, it'll be okay. If we can't stop the bleeding, we don't have to fix it, we don't have to stay. I will love you either way. Okay, so this next post-chorus goes on for a bit longer, so I'll just go through it first. So the first one, so we basically do the progression like 3 times, but the last 2 times are slightly different. So we've got the C, the G, and then to the D. And then this bit, so we have, it's almost the same, very almost the same, C. But then when we come to the D, so the first time, because the D is twice as long, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the second time, we change the A to a G, and we go. So once we've done the, and then the G. The second time round is similar to what you've just played. Again, it's all on the screen, but the G is a G over B instead. So we have, the last time is C, G over B, and then the D major. Change the A to a G. So this is a bit where we're singing, it might be so sweet, it might be so bitter. So again, the chords and lyrics are linked down below. So the post-chorus goes, I will love you either way. Into the outro, so it's this again, so C sus2, it's a G major 7 over B, and then A major. You just do that once, and then there's this little outro. I'll just play it first, so it goes, I will love you either way. So we have a C major, again you don't have to play octaves, so that's the second version, same as we had there, so G, C, E, and play that, and then we're going to play G and E, G and D, G and C, into G major, so G, B, D, but with it, I'm hearing a D in the left hand, and then you're going to play G and C, G and B. You can play these notes and share them however way you want between the hands, or you can play octave Ds if you want. So we've got Ds, and then second version of D major, so A, D, F sharp. So I'll do that again, so from a C. Let's do that outro again. Oh, if the future we've dreamed of is fading to black, I will love you either way. Are we gonna make it? Is this gonna hurt? try to sedate it, but that never works. Yeah, I start to imagine a world where we don't collide. It's making me sick, but we'll heal and the sun will rise. If you tell me you're leaving, I'll make it easy. It'll be okay. And if we can't stop the bleeding, we don't have to fix it. We don't have to stay. I will love you either way. It'll be okay. Oh, the future we dreamed of is fading to black. I start to imagine a world where we don't collide. And it's making me sick, but we'll heal and the sun will rise. If you tell me you're leaving, I'll make it. It'll be okay. And you can't stop the bleeding. We don't have to fix it. We don't have to stay. I will love you either way. Future we've dreamed of is fading to black. I will love you either way. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit Bitesize Piano course.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.